Discover the allure of DIY floating shelves and transform your living space with easy woodworking magic. Let's start by gathering essential materials and tools for your floating shelf project. Master the art of measuring and cutting plywood for perfect shelf dimensions. Learn the secrets of creating sturdy spacers for a seamless floating effect. Assemble your shelf frame like a pro with our step-by-step guidance. Conquer wall mounting techniques for secure and level installation of your floating shelves. Elevate your shelves with decorative trim and explore creative variations to match your style. Unlock the potential of staining and painting to perfectly match your decor style. Learn pro tips for maximizing storage and showcasing your favorite items on your new shelves. Transform your space with custom floating shelves. Click the link below for more inspiration.